Hi, my name is John Miller. I'm a retired educator and I reside in Atlanta, Georgia. I have full implants top and bottom. And in 2020, I cracked the front 2 teeth. Oh, while I was eating some bacon.
Oftentimes, patients come to us looking for a second prosthesis or a better prosthesis than what they have. Fixing that prosthesis itself was not an option because it was actually fractured, so we needed to give something that structurally was more durable.
When your smile's not right, it messes with your confidence. You know, you don't feel right.
So we started thinking how we can engineer a prosthesis that is going to avoid that from happening in the future.
But the biggest thing is I found Dr. Castro and I got my teeth fixed.
So we decided to mill the bar on titanium, which enough support for every single tooth so that it would be better supported for the future so he wouldn't have another event like the one that he had.
It's all good now. Look at me now. I can eat again.
The result was a beautiful prosthesis, and well, he's a great person. He shows a very nice smile, so he was happy. I was happy.
It was a great experience. They're really helpful here. They're great people. It's a gorgeous office. You're looking out over Buckhead. You really need to come and see it because it really impressed me. And you can come and get you a new smile. It will change your life, believe me. Believe me. Look at me.